everyone, all my short hair girlies out there. I've got a hairstyle that I've seen on TikTok. I love it. Let me show you. So I've got really flat hair. I've just washed it, so this is as fluffy as my hair gets. So this bit's optional, guys, if you feel like you like the way that your hair sits at the front. I'm just gonna go in, I've put a tiny bit of back comb here, and then I'm just gonna go in and just kind of like brush the hair back and do like a little bit of back comb. When I say back comb, I don't mean we're going to be giving like proper like bouffant. I mean just at the root. And what that's going to do is just give the illusion of having thicker hair rather than, oh, I've back combed my hair and I'm going to do, you know, a big wedding style. So just at the roots, just pushing down there, nothing more. I'll have to excuse the craziness. I'm not even being kind of methodical with it. I'm just kind of like grabbing it. Can you see that it's just giving me that little bit of structure, and I'll do the same just at the sides here as well. So just grabbing a piece, push, push, push. I promised you that this was easy and quick, and it is. Like I say, you can miss this step out. So slicing it down this way, holding it out to the side, push, push, push. If your hair's really soft and shiny and healthy, mine isn't healthy, you might need a little bit of spray here, but that's all I'm going to do. I don't want it to look like I've given myself volume. I want to pretend that that's how thick my hair is. And then decide at this point if you want any kind of face frame. I like to sort of pull them down because I've got really fine hair here. But like I say, some people are just absolutely fine having the hair all back. So I'm just using my fingers to kind of guide the hair backwards. And then we're going to take the top layer. Try not to take too much, it's not half your head. So I'm going to kind of just wiggle my fingers through like that. And just take that into a ponytail. And then I'm going to turn around and show you what I'm doing with the back. Small elastics. You can use hair ties or bobbles, but my hair's so fine it's hard to cover them, so I've just got a little baggy, small elastics. That's what I'll be using today. So you're just grabbing hold of that small ponytail, doing a normal pony, but then you're just going to create a little loop. Don't worry that it looks crazy, just forget about it. Sorry for the beeps. And then you can just kind of pull at the front bit a little bit just to make it look a bit more relaxed and less severe. And then I'm going to take another section. So this time I'm going to come just above the ear. Again, I'm not using a comb, sweeping it back. And I kind of like the sections, like how they're kind of swept like that. So grabbing hold of that ponytail. And you have got a little tuft, which I don't mind if it sticks out, because it is a kind of messy style. But if it's too much of a tuft that's sticking out, or it's a lot thicker than mine, you can try and sort of angle the hair. Can you see I'll push that top longer layer over the top first, and then again you're going to create just a little loop. Oh, that worked with the little layer, never mind. I can't be bothered to redo it, we'll just pin it. So just teasing that bit out again leave it. And then you're going to take this tail end now and do the same. So I'm just kind of sweeping that off my neck. Doing the same technique. I'm going to go round again because it's a bit finer, this piece is. And just looping that through. I don't mind that little tail there. I'm going to take some texture spray and just give that a little bit of a spray just to help with grip. And next we're just going to shape this up again. So you can see how you've got your loops, you've got your gaps. I'm going to take this top loop and just gently kind of start pulling it out. And then I'm just going to pin that down. So I'm just kind of taking a hair grip and almost like just weaving it through. So it's catching the little knot and the hair on your head, like so. And you can put as many of these grips in as you feel. So that's kind of like the top bit, and I'm going to do some pulling out at the end as well, and these side bits. So then you're going to grab the next one down and just kind of connect these up. So you mess with it and pull at it until you're happy. You can also just kind of mess these side bits up a little bit, But when you think how fine my hair is, like, I feel like you would look at that, and there's a little bit of volume from the front. You can start with it higher if you want to, but I think that looks like kind of effortless, kind of cute. You haven't tried too hard. Let me know in the comments what you think.